So Twitter users keep reminding a public that Black women try to save America from itself. But these catchphrases lauding Black women for their decision-making abilities do not do the work of explaining the centuries of wisdom and labor and ingenuity that have put Black women in a position to have to do the long-suffering and thankless work that attempts to save America from itself. So rather than focusing on why a large portion of the country could be fooled by Russian bots on Twitter, perhaps we should be asking the Black women who were not. We should be potentially talking to Black women who are on Twitter and are on Facebook, who are on social media and make use of it at higher rates than most other groups, because they certainly are exposed to trolls and they're exposed to bots and they're exposed to fake news stories. And let's be honest, the real news stories that do the same kind of propaganda work that sometimes fake news stories do. So what if politicians and writers asked Black women why they cast their vote for the winner of the popular vote? What if we as scholars inquired about the social media practices of Black women that do not inculcate them from exposure, but provide them a skill set to navigate trolling and hate speech online? What if we tried to learn a history of Black women's use of technology and their long-honed skills in intra and inter-cultural communicative practice that better equips them to be purveyors of social media, making decisions for both themselves and the larger society? I mean, are Black women actually just magic?